Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free coins on the PoppoLive. So as you can see, guys, I got a ton, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you need to do is go to this website called Hex Mods, and as you can see, it says PoppoLive mod. So just press on this, press the download button, and it should download. So be sure to try this out. It's super insane. It fully works. Now if you go to the App Store and type it in, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, this is the app, and then we go to the in-app purchases, and you can see, nah bro, look how expensive it is. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, all you gotta do is just go to this website Hex Mods. So be sure to try it out for yourself, because it is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, because it's super cool. I mean, I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, though. Be sure to try us out. It's super crazy, and it's like updated and everything like that. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I did get unlimited coins, which is pretty cool. So that's why I'm really into this. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super crazy, and this is fully working method. So be sure to get the word out right now while this is still working. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because this is super insane, guys. It's totally updated and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But look at this, crazy, bro. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super awesome. It totally works. So yeah, be sure to try it out. And remember, all you gotta do is go to Hex Mods, and you're gonna be all set. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super crazy. This is a totally working method. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out, bro. This is super insane. It's totally updated method. I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out, gang.